You can just imagine hosting your family and friends in this beautiful, entertaining space. From the moment you enter this home, you will be transported into a wonderful world of garden, where abundant use of windows allow light and greenery to enter the home. You really are taken on a journey through this home, the hero being this fabulous family living area with stone floors and limestone features, creating the most wonderful feeling. The accommodation is perfect for families and for empty nesters with great separation. You can't beat this location. Just 100 metres to the gorgeous Jasper Green Reserve, you can walk from here to the Swanbourne Village and the train and the Claremont Quarter and almost all of the public and private schools. No wonder this family has held on to this property for more than 100 years.